Hola amigos! Are you ready to embark on a delightful culinary journey through the flavors of Mexico? Introducing Cooking with Liz, Authentic Mexican Recipes, a cookbook that will transport your taste buds to the heart of Mexico's rich culinary heritage. Join Elizabeth Hernandez as she takes you on a gastronomic adventure filled with beloved classics and lesser-known gems. From succulent tacos al pastor to the golden perfection of chiles rellenos, each recipe in this book captures the essence of authentic Mexican cuisine. Elizabeth Hernandez has poured her heart and soul into preserving the traditional flavors and techniques of Mexican cooking. With Cooking with Liz, you'll experience the joy of crafting enchiladas verdes and savoring the heartwarming flavors of pozole, a true Mexican comfort stew. But that's not all. Dive into the diverse regions and ingredients of Mexico with soaps, cochinita pibil, tostadas, and the legendary mole poblano. Each dish is a culinary adventure in itself. Cooking with Liz isn't just about recipes, it's a celebration of culture, tradition, and the joy of sharing delicious food with loved ones. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a novice in the kitchen, Cooking with Liz will inspire you to explore the rich flavors and vibrant colors of Mexico's culinary tapestry. So, are you ready to experience the authentic flavors of Mexico? Grab your apron, gather your ingredients, and immerse yourself in the culinary magic of Cooking with Liz, 20 Authentic Mexican Recipes. Order your copy today and discover the true essence of Mexican cuisine. Cooking with Liz is an essential addition to any food lover's collection. Take a journey through the vibrant and diverse world of Mexican cuisine with Elizabeth Hernandez. Get your copy of Cooking with Liz, 20 Authentic Mexican Recipes today.